Model, 57-plate Mercedes-Benz Vito TRAVELINER extra long diesel 115 CDI8 SE8ER body, red, panel van mileage, 242071 engine, 2148 cc 2.2 CDI, 115 transmission, 6-speed manual, rear-wheel drive mechanical summary, starts perfect. Runs very slightly underpowered, intercooler pipe is split and will need replacing, gearbox and clutch look all good. Condition summary, bodywork is average. Interior is average. Rear load area is average. Features, 1 former keepers, part service history, electric windows, parking sensors, 2 keys HPI, clear cap retail, £9,375. Click the link in the description for pictures and more info. Alternatively, call